What's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. Very good to see you because today I have a challenge for you. Before I tell you what the challenge is, let me start off by saying a huge thank you to all of you guys for supporting the channel so much lately. The channel has been growing like crazy and I couldn't be happier with where we are right now. The more the channel is growing, the more people I connect with every single day, and I spend a lot of time answering emails or replying to comments here on YouTube. Also, I spend a lot of time answering DMs on Instagram or Twitter, and it's one of the best things for me about having this YouTube channel. It's just the way that I am talking to so many people that are passionate about the same things as I am. That is honestly the best thing about having a YouTube channel. And lately I've started realizing that I have so many amazing people that are watching my videos, and I really want to do something for as many of you as possible. I want to showcase what you guys can do, so that's why I decided to make this challenge. So the challenge is called the Drone Supremacy Challenge. I know it's very creative. Don't ask me how I came up with that name, but I challenge you to create something and tell me a great story. I want you to shoot a 1-minute video. It could be a bit less, it could be a bit more. Don't worry about the length, but keep it short at about 1 minute. And I want you to create a story. I want you to tell me a story in that 1-minute video. And I want to share it for as many people as possible to see. So you have 1 week from now to record your masterpiece story video. And please don't use old clips that you've already recorded. Go out there, record something new, be creative, and try to fit in that 1-minute length, and share your video on Instagram with the hashtag Drone Supremacy Challenge, or you can use this email that you can see on the screen to send me your video. I will go through all the entries and pick 5 winners. The winners will be showcased on this channel. The gear that you can use for this challenge doesn't matter at all. You can use a drone, you can use a camera, you can use a GoPro, your phone, your 360 camera, whatever you have, as long as it has a lens on it, use it and just create a nice story. The gear doesn't really matter in my opinion. I know many people say that the gear doesn't matter, the story is king. Yes, that's true. That's why so many people say that. It's because it's really true. And I want to showcase that and potentially inspire the other people that are watching this channel to go out there and be creative and have some fun. I think the main point of doing all this is to have fun and be passionate and enjoy. So you have 7 days to participate in that challenge. Once again, use the hashtag Drone Supremacy Challenge on Instagram if you post your video on Instagram, or shoot me an email on this email that you see on the screen right now. I cannot wait to see what you guys can do, what you can create, and of course, I cannot wait to share it with the rest of the world. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please participate in that challenge because I really think it's going to be a lot of fun. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao.